Changing the engine oil annually is an important step in maintaining your snowblower. Clean engine oil ensures all internal engine components are protected and performing optimally. Let's start by removing last year's old engine oil and replacing it with new oil. To get started, it's best to run the engine for 5 minutes to warm the oil for easier extraction. There are two options in removing the old oil. The first is the more traditional method, which is removing the oil drain plug to allow the oil to flow into a drain pan. Or there is an easier method by using Briggs & Stratton's oil extractor kit. It makes the oil change process fast, easy, and mess-free. With the engine off, remove the oil dipstick from the engine, wipe it off with a towel, and place it to the side. Now we will use the oil extractor to remove the old engine oil. Insert the hose all the way to the bottom of the sump and place the extractor on a solid surface. Slowly begin to pump. Once you begin to see the old engine oil in the hose, you can begin to increase the pumping speed to your comfort level. When finished removing the old engine oil, lift the hose out of the oil sump. Use a towel to capture any drips. The oil reservoir can be used as a convenient transportation device to dispose of your old oil at an approved recycling center or Briggs & Stratton dealer. There are over 12,000 dealers in our network. Now it's time to add the new engine oil. If you need help determining which oil and how much to use, visit our website to use our simple, intuitive oil finder tool. For this snowblower, I'm using a 32-ounce bottle of Briggs & Stratton 100% synthetic 5W30 oil. Use of a synthetic oil for equipment used in cold weather is recommended. Make sure the snowblower is on a level surface. Using a funnel isn't always necessary, but will make adding oil easier and with less chance of mess. You'll want to add the oil in slowly and check levels throughout to make sure you're not overfilling the oil sump. Too much oil quantity can cause engine damage. After adding about half the bottle is when you'll usually want to check the oil level. You'll need the dipstick that you removed earlier. Insert the dipstick back into the oil sump and give it a quarter turn to lock it. Then remove the dipstick to read the oil level. You'll want the oil level to be between the two indicator marks at the end of the dipstick. Having it at the top of the indicator or full mark is ideal. For more information or shop genuine parts, visit briggsandstratton.com.